For this lesson, you are required to have with you a copy of CAP697. This should have been provided for you by your training organisation. If you do not have one, you can download a copy from the United Kingdom's CAA website, www.caa.co.uk. The Civil Aviation Publication number 697, abbreviated to CAP697, is the document to be used in all the following fuel planning lessons. It is designed specifically for the European Airline Transport Pilot's Licence examinations. To help you work through the manual, each page is identified by its section and title in the bottom right-hand footer. When you are ready, find Section 1, General Notes, page 1. Page 1 of Section 1. General Notes gives an outline of the contents of the document. Note the bold type in paragraph 1.2, which states that the data is not to be used for planning purposes for any aeroplane. Paragraph 2 lists the 3 classes of generic aircraft which are used for the fuel planning exercises. These are a single-engined piston, a multi-engined piston, and a medium-range jet transport. When you are ready, turn the page now to paragraph 4, pages 2 and 3, definitions. Pages 2 and 3 of section 1 list a number of definitions of aircraft mass. These can be ignored at the moment, as they will be dealt with in detail in the lessons on aircraft loading. When you are ready, turn the page to paragraph 5, conversions. The conversion factors shown on this page are vital to solving many of the problems given in the examination. Although these can be found when using a flight navigation computer, like the CRP5, it is useful to memorize them, at least to the first decimal place. When you are ready, turn to the next page, which is the start of section 2, the single-engine piston aeroplane planning data. A quick glance through section 2 will show you that there are 9 pages of graphs and tables dealing with fuel planning for this particular type of generic aircraft. You will become familiar with all of these calculations as we go through the course. Section 3, which deals with the multi-engined piston aeroplane, is laid out in a similar manner to the single-engine data. Now turn to section 4, medium-range jet transport aeroplane. From section 4, page 1, to the end of the document, the data is for the medium-range jet transport aeroplane, MRJT. This is more complicated than the previous 2 sections, so we shall deal with this in more detail when we get to that part of the course. The data contained in the CAP697 constitutes a large part of the course. We shall therefore devote a number of lessons to working through each section.